It's my property. You can do whatever you want.
No, you can't.
Okay.
You have to have a signature from me.
It's okay. I'll blur your face.
No, you can't. You have to have a
blur his face.
No, you
Just
can't.
blur his face.
I'll blur your face.
It's not legal.
You
It's
can't.
my property. I can film whatever I
No,
want.
you can't. You have to have a signature.
It's okay. I don't need your signature.
No.
I'll blur your face.
No, you can't.
Just letting everybody know, Sarkis doesn't want to be on YouTube anymore. He wants more money. You guys are making him famous. So he's demanding more money to be on YouTube. That just shows you guys what kind of person he is. So, yeah.
So what's up, guys? I don't know if you guys remember the BMW we painted before, and we have Moses in the back. Hi, Moses.
Hi, Sarkis.
He's stalking me. So, do you remember this car?
Yeah, I feel very lonely, so I want to come by you.
So we painted this car before, and it's a special 4-stage color. You don't see this on the street much. So you know the car got damaged again?
Yeah.
Where? See, I'm the smarter one. Okay, so the damage is here. So the valet parking damaged the car again. So the thing is, with this color, we cannot just paint this panel and blend this panel because the way the color is. So it's gonna be crazy work. So we have to blend the fender again, and we have to blend the quarter panel. We have to repair this. There's a few more things here.
Or we have to paint the whole side?
Yeah.
It's a crazy color. This is nice, it stands
What
out.
about the car? Like the actual body?
It's nice, it's not too bad.
My favorite one was this one and 2006 X5. That was my favorite ones. Like they did an awesome job. Still BMW is number one.
Why do you still not have a mask on? You need to put a mask on before you start killing people.
Bro, it's hard for me to breathe. Some people have a breathing problem, and it's for me hard to breathe.
He has a hard time breathing, not because of the mask, because he smokes a lot. He smokes about 3 packs of cigarettes a day. That's why he can't breathe. It's not because of the mask, it's because of cigarettes.
This is the first time BMW made a crystal shifter. They never done this before. This is the first time. There's everything same. The crystal shifter is new. The cluster is the they done it on the 5 Series. The first 5 Series came out. So everything is the same besides this crystal shifter. The rest they done it on the different cars. Yeah, but this is my one of the favorite one.
Oh, very nice, yeah. Hey. First of all, they should be wearing masks. Stay away from me.
Victor, no, give me back.
We have a brand new G63 right here. We're wrapping it satin black. Most of it's already black. That side of it is gray still. It's that matte gray from factory, but this customer wanted to have satin black. We got some really dope Forgiatos on there. Familiar wheels because we put these on the Brabus G63 some time ago. But yeah, this is beautiful G63 with the red interior, and with the satin black finish, it's gonna look incredible. So another wrap, we're doing full door jams, everything. So it's pretty intensive when you do door jams on a G-Wagon. And yeah, next episode you guys will see this done.
So this is what happened, guys. So Vic kind of broke my computer. And
but how did it break though? You have to explain it. How did it break?
Oh, okay.
And why did it break?
Okay, so let me tell you. There was a cup here, and Vic threw something. He fell on this, and this fell on my cup.
Are those facts?
Yes.
Where's the proof?
I don't know. And now we got a new computer for me, and I'm trying to get my speakers because Vic, he purposely turned off the volume down, and I cannot use my speakers. So I'm trying to find a way to use my computer, but I need help. Vic, can you come and help me?
Do you need volume on your screen
please.
to do estimates?
Yes, please. Both of them, they couldn't do it.
What's wrong with your computer?
My speaker doesn't work. That's why
You don't need a speaker though.
I need, sometimes I have to listen to customers or just as they're sending me messages, I have to listen with the computer.
Who sends you a message with
Some adjusters, they send you a voice message.
talking to you through email?
Yeah.
Nobody does that.
It's a 2000.
Nobody in the world does that.
It's a 2020. They do it. It's a new system of the emails.
Yeah, why don't you read that? Why don't you read it? An Armenian said you're bringing us shame.
Bro, that's the person who doesn't have a thing, right account.
Okay, so
You
this
think
guy
if you
does?
Yes, this guy has it.
How do you know this guy has the other guy doesn't have it?
Because I checked it already.
Oh, you
so the
checked
guy,
it? You looked for him?
if the guy's a real boss, he will come and tell Fred on my face. Smash his face.
Sarkis has to be a paid actor. There's no way that idiot can ever work at a shop.
Where? Yeah, the people who's writing the comments, those people who doesn't have a thing, first life and second accounts. Well, how come you don't read the good ones?
The internet is very cruel. You're gonna find out the hard way. Sarkis should drive an ice cream truck in Glendale.
Okay. Those people don't have an account.
So all these people don't have an account, but the ones that talk good about you have an account.
How come you don't read the good ones?
There's more bad.
Bro, they're the haters. They don't have anything to do. So why are they watching the show if they don't... Don't let them watch.
How does that fat dude have the money to buy that BMW?
I f his mom, that's why. Are you trying to... Oh, go back. This is for Vic. Are you trying to hide the f***ing mic in your beard? Anyways.
Okay.
That was that bad.
Sark is a golden guy. In your...
He doesn't have an account.
No, this is legit, see?
How is that any different?
Bro, Sark is one.
You didn't win.
I cannot listen any music to my computer because they purposely took the volume off, so I cannot listen to any music. I'm gonna try to listen to music here. And let's see how bad it is. All the way up.
Hey, open the hood. Get out of the car. Get out. Alright guys, so Sarkis was bumping right now. Normally you can't bump in a Ferrari, especially a Ferrari 458. They come with pretty bad sound systems. This car has a crazy one though. This thing's at least $20,000. Okay, each one of these, there's 3 of them there. Each one is about $4,000 to $5,000 right there. So it's about $16,000 in the trunk alone. So crazy stuff. Ferraris need like a secondary radio. You cannot do a lot of work to the stock system, so it has a lot of stuff on there. But this car is gonna be a really dope project. We already lowered it. So right now it has Novatec springs, it's lowered, but that's all we've done. We're waiting for a whole body kit to come. This is gonna be a wide body project. It's gonna have wheels, wide body. We're gonna probably keep it this color, which is really dope color. It's like a light silver blue, and it has tan interior. So it's gonna be a really clean looking wide body project. So stay tuned for this one. Alright guys, we got this Panamera Turbo S. Obviously you see what's going on. There's no wheels or tires on the car. Unfortunately this customer's wheels and tires were stolen. So it's going through insurance. We're gonna figure it out now. We're gonna put some spare wheels on it right now on the tow truck to move it. But yeah, it's been happening more and more. People are getting desperate. They're doing crazier things out here. So keep your car safe.
We did have like a spare set in the back for
Hey, we
Porsche.
put a
so
diamond wheels on it.
trying to say something. Hey, we put a diamond wheels on it. we had a spare set in the back, so we just put it on now. But customer has the key, so we're waiting for the car key. As soon as he brings it by, so we can just unload it, get information, and lock up and go home.
Yeah, but look how beautiful my car
Sarkis,
is.
do you want to go home?
Yeah. But look how beautiful my car is.